Hi guys, my name is Jelly Amaral and today I'm here to talk about these three babies and what they did for my skin. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Vitamin C one. This one is definitely my favorite. I love this. I did notice that I got really fast results from these, and it was something that I had been looking for. I wanted these results and it works amazing on my skin. I do use this every morning and night under my makeup and before I go to sleep. The second one is the first one I tried when it came in, is the Retinol one, and this is for clearing acne and it got me fast results too. I love it. I would definitely recommend you get it because it does not harm the skin. Your skin won't be over dry just because it's for acne clearing. It does it all in a gentle way and still leaves your skin healthy. The last one is an anti-aging one, and it's the one that I don't really use because I am a teen and it does not really suit me. It doesn't really suit my skin problems. But I did use this a couple of times and it worked amazing on my skin too. It did not damage at all. So basically these three serums are something that I would definitely never ever been the same without, because they really did change my skin in a natural way because the products are natural, did not give me any problems, and it is something that you actually get the results and you're not just like using and like what's happening, and you're not really wasting your money. So I would definitely recommend you get these. Try it, at least try it, because it worked amazing on me. For the price too, they're amazing. Neutriherbs, their team is amazing. They will assist you. They're really nice and kind, will treat you very nicely just like they did to me. And I really hope you like these and get really good results just like I did.